세상에서 잊을러 I love you 너 사랑한다고 내 여자가 되어달라고.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Tirey and today I'm gonna make Jengkelin makeup. If you don't know who is Jengkelin, I'm gonna put the picture over here so that you can know who is Jengkelin. And this is requested by Kang Ajep. Hi Kang Ajep. And I'm gonna put the channel over here so that if you haven't subscribed Kang Ajep, you can subscribe now, okay? And Kang Ajep invited me to make Jengkelin makeup. Tirey, please make Jengkelin makeup, and this is for you, Kang Ajep. And to make Jengkelin makeup, I only use some products. The first is I use BB cream from Wardah, and then I also use powder from March, and mascara from Dance, and also blush from Wardah, and eyeshadow from Implora, eyeliner from Stay-On eyeliner, and Shade Lady. This is actually highlighter from Shade Lady, and then white pencil from Implora, black pencil eyebrow from Lera, and also don't forget lipstick from Wardah, pink lipstick, and also I have this one. First, we need to cover our face using BB cream, so let's apply it. Here I take 2 pumps of BB cream from Wardah and I apply it to my face using my hand. Actually, you can also use your beauty blender or your brush, but in here I only use my hand because I feel like it is easy, and also I feel like it will be fast, so I use my hand. But if you want to use your beauty blender, that's okay. It's up to you. And after that, you can make it tidy and clear. I also need mirror to make sure that BB cream can cover all sides of my face from the weakness, such as acne or pimples or blackhead. And if I think like it is not enough, I can add BB cream again to my face and I can make it tidy again. And after that, we can set our face using powder. Actually, you can use every powder in your makeup tools that you have. But here I choose Marks, and I also choose a rose variant so that the color is pink. I also want to tell you that the smell is so good, so I recommend you to use this powder. It's time to make eyebrow. I really like this eyebrow pencil, and also I love it. Really, this is so easy, guys. So if you think that to make an eyebrow is something hard, you should watch my video because I will tell you that it is so easy, okay? And Jengkelin makeup, Jengkelin eyebrow is not really straight, so I make it not really straight. Well, Jengkelin usually applies brown eyeshadow to her eyelid, and now in this video I just want to make it really same as Jengkelin, so that I choose brown eyeshadow from Implora. And actually you can use another brands, not only Implora, but here I choose Implora because I like the color. And there we go. Boom! Yeah, this is finished, guys, so you can see the look. And here I put white pencil from Implora to my under eye. Actually you can skip this part because I'm not sure that Jengkelin used this white pencil from Implora. So you can skip this part if you wanna make it more simple, okay? But I still wanna use it because this is so cute. I will always say yes to bling bling face. That's why here I put much highlighter to my face. You can see it. Oh my god, oh I love it. You know, I really love it. It feels like shining, shimmering, plan, dude. I really love it. Oh guys, you can see it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, love it. Okay, honestly, highlighter from Shade Lady is not really white and it doesn't give a lot of impact to our face. But I love to use it because this is so simple and so small. So I love it. And after that, I also wanna use Wardah blush on. Wardah blush on. This is natural blush on to my face, so I can see like good in my face. Ooh, don't forget eyeliner guys, because this is so important. And in this video I didn't use my MAC eyeliner because it is hard to get dry, but I only use Stay On eyeliner because it is easy to get dry. And in this makeup look I need eyeliner that is easy to get dry, which is Stay On. Actually, I don't really master in using this eyeliner, but I love to use it because I'm still learning how to do makeup well. So just support me, give me like and your comment below so that I will love to make a lot of new video in my YouTube channel. Okay guys? Okay, give me your support please. Well, actually, I have thin eyelashes, so I totally need mascara to handle it. I mean, to handle my eyelashes. So there we go. I just wanna apply it to my eyelashes. If you ask me about the brands that I use in this video, actually Dance Mascara isn't really thick. I think it's not really thick, but I love to use it because it feels like so natural. Last part, we only drew love in our lips. Actually, you can see that Jacqueline lips is not full guys, but Jacqueline only give a little bit lipsticks. The color is pink and then the shape is love, so that I'm gonna imitate it. Hopefully I can. Okay, so just enjoy this video guys. I really need mirror guys because it is so hard for me to only make to make makeup character only using camera from my phone. So I need mirror I mean I need mirror to help me. There we go, this is done guys. And then I also make 2 circles in my cheek, one in my left cheek and then one again in my right cheek, because as you can see that Jacqueline has 2 circles in his face, and I love to see it. Oh, I try to make it really similar guys. So just comment below if you think like this is not really similar, and then I will make it another version for you. Okay, now there we go. Woo! Hi, there we go. This is the final look guys. So how? Please give me your opinion about this makeup look in comment below, and I would like to see it. I would like to read it, and I would like to hear it. So don't forget to comment, okay? Because I would love it so much. And if you have something to request, I mean to be requested, just say in comment below, and I would like to make it for you. If I can. Okay, that's all guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Love you guys. Mwah.